Hi, my name is Maia. I'm one of the fourth year medical students coming from the University of Liverpool. I've been based here at the maternity hospital under the supervision of Dr. Indira I've been here a week now. I've had the opportunity to see loads of different things, go to some births and see the neonatal resuscitation, as well as be part of that because I've had training throughout of how to get involved. I've also had the chance to go to places like the neonatal ICU and see like the more technical side of neonatology. Everybody's been really friendly, the doctors, the nurses, they've all been getting me involved. Yeah, it's been really good so far.
My name is Dr. Indira. I am a neonatologist of maternity and children's health care. So I was meeting the Maia. She's an internship student from Liverpool. I was glad to practice with her the newborns care, and she is a very clever and creative student because she is very active in every stage of neonatal care. She was participating in the maternity hospital. She had the opportunities to participate in intensive care procedures. Additionally, she has been training in primary neonatal resuscitation procedure. She has communication with doctors, senior medical staff, and so nowadays she's continued to have practice in every stage of neonatal care.